Here I have OPPO A1X, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, you will firstly have to open settings, then go to the battery section, and here you have power saving mode. So for example, you can switch it here. You can also enable it to turn off automatically when your device is up to 19% charged. You can turn it on in a specific battery level. So for example, at 15% battery it will turn on automatically. And you can also manage some of its default optimizations, like you can reduce screen brightness, you can change auto screen off to 15 seconds, you can disable background synchronization, and you can lower screen refresh rate. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.